Hey my dorks, welcome back to Sharpey's World. Right, so we're in Mallorca currently. We're staying at the Lagatell Hotel at Playa de Moro. Again. So if you've been watching our videos for a while, you've seen that we've been here before, but hopefully you would have also seen that we've been to the Hidropark before, which is just in Alcudia, and it's just next to the Club Mac Hotel. So we're off there today, so we're going to go and get as many video shots as possible. So we'll take you guys with us, and we'll see you when we're there. Yeah? See you in a bit.
Bye.
Come out the water park. This guy's dead. Is he dead?
Thank you. You did. Yeah, man.
Well then guys, cheers for watching that video. Absolutely shattered there. And I think I burnt myself at the bloody swimming pool. Right guys, if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to Sharpey's World, make sure you do give us a subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another vlog. Hopefully while we're still in Mallorca, because I've not really vlogged much while we've been away. I'm hoping to do some more videos of the hotel and the walk to the beach, and maybe a bit of a beach vlog as well. So like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time for another video of Sharpey's World. Cheers, dogs. Bye.